Hi friends, this is Parvati from Capstucky. Welcome to my channel. I need your support, so please subscribe, share and like my channel. Also, you can mention your valuable comments in the comment box. So today we are discussing here the AHPRA registration video, second one. I have the experience in my own home country and UAE experience also. So today I am describing here. I have experience in Kerala, that's my home country. So how we want to apply for the good standing certificate in Kerala. Okay. The first slide I mentioned here, one link is there. The same link you can use for the login purpose. I think everybody know every year we are opening this one for renewal purpose. So the same one you can use it, and username you can enter it, then password. Username always the PRC number. Password as per the format you can choose it. Okay. Then the second slide, then the third slide is coming. Different procedures for the KSPC, different application steps for the KSPC. From that portion, we want to select the good standing certificate. I already marked it. That one, the same one, you can select it. Then the screen is open like for not same as like this one. Before this means about this information already some personal details will be coming. So there nothing we don't want to fill it. These are the main portions in this section we want to fill it. So the first portion is the first section is coming. Please place at which he has worked during the last 5 years with full details. That means the last 5 years where you work it, that details we want to update in this section. Name of the organization and designation, period of time from the date to the date, and phone number, that means the contact details, and email ID. These are the details we want to update it there. Nature of the duties performed, you can mention the pharmacist or full time, something like that you can mention it. That's not that much important, but remaining details you want to enter it clearly. Okay. Then the next section you want to fill it. Details of the pharmacy professionals who personally know the applicant to whom a reference can be made. Okay. That means we want to give the reference to the KSPC. Two pharmacist details. I think you have so many friends. You can give the details as per their approval. You can share the details to the KSPC. So the main purpose is that persons want to register in the KSPC also. So the PRC number, name, address, contact details. These are the main things we want to mention there. Please enter the details means the everything, whatever the spelling and PRC number, everything we want to enter it correctly. That is the main thing. So because these details is coming in the application form. Then the next screen is automatically coming for the then the details is coming for the details of the concerned body institution requiring the good standing certificate. That means for whom we are applying this one, that details we want to mention here. For what purpose? We are applying for the Australian Pharmacy Council. So that one we want to mention here. That details we want to, because the body is directly sent to there. So that's why we want to mention the details here. The Australian Pharmacy Council, they want directly from the body to the body. Okay. Then the company name we want to mention, postal address, email ID, mobile number, that means contact number. So these details I mentioned in the description box. You can check it there, don't forget it, and enter the details clearly and correctly. Okay. Then the application form finish. Then it's coming for the payment section. Payment section is its two scheme is there, normal and tatkal. Normal means it's take more than 1 month. It's too much time they are taking. If you are applying for emergency purpose, you want to choose for the tatkal. Tatkal, the payment is coming 3,000, not the 2,000. I mentioned here amount 2,000 just for the example. You want to enter the 3,000 payment. That's for coming for the tatkal. Then payment mode also you can select it. Whatever the easy payment method for you, you can choose it, that one. Then it's coming. The next 6 slide I mentioned here, whatever the format for the payment, it's coming like that. Whatever you can choose it from this one. Once you complete the payment, then it will coming the 7th slide. That application form is directly coming. So you can download it, that application form. Then this application form with this one we want to this much only we want to doing through online. Remaining we want to send through post. That documents we want to send to the KSPC through post. Okay. So with this application form, the details are the details we want: the diploma certificate, sorry, the degree certificate, and your license, 2 copies of degree certificate, 2 copies of license certificate, and the application form. This application form, with this one we want to submit one more thing, that is the character certificate. Character certificate, that one format is there. The same way you can check in the site also, you can download it. This is the 9th slide I mentioned here, character certificate format. This one is the original format for that one. So you want to fill the detail, not this is the authorized person want to fill these details and signature, seal it, place and date, mention it. Then you can together with these documents you can send to the KSPC. So speed post is better, so you can enter the details everything correctly, and the address also I mentioned in the 12th slide. The address and contact number also mentioned. Contact number actually in the site is mentioned, that one it's not working, unfortunately it's not getting. So I mentioned the new number. I don't know, I found it this one from some other sources. So this number you can use for the remaining purpose, anything related to the KSPC. This is the section for the good standing certificate procedure. So this contact number you can use it. Okay. Then you can send through post. At the end of the presentation, I mentioned one more slide is there, that is checking for the application status. Left side of the screen above, one portion is there, one area is there for application status. Through this one you can check what is the stage of your application. If you are applying for good standing certificate, you can check it, what is its granting or its sending or dispatch, whatever that one, you can check it through this one. Okay, this much only we want to doing for this one, for the procedure for good standing certificate in Kerala. So whatever your home country, you can use it that one. I know only this one, so that's why I describe it here, this one. Okay, the next video for the AHPRA I will prepare it for the Abu Dhabi, for UAE also. Okay, today I am just wind up here. One more time I am reminding everybody, please subscribe, share and like my channel. Also you can mention your valuable comments in the comment box. Okay.